Hello everyone and welcome back to Very British Vocabulary, the series which will show you just by changing a few words in a sentence, you can start to sound more and more like a British person. Today's word is tea. Now this one is a little bit confusing. Now tea, of course, means a drink. To drink tea. However, in some parts of the UK, tea means an evening meal similar to dinner. So, you've probably been taught breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which is fine and it is correct for most parts of the UK. However, in other parts of the UK, especially in the north, in cities like Manchester, tea can also mean the evening dinner, and it would go as follows: breakfast, dinner, tea. So tea time is around 5 o'clock. People eat tea, they don't drink tea. I know it's a little confusing, but if you use this, especially in the north of England, then people will think you are a native British person. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stick around, there are many more, and as always, see you next time.